You know the drill, right? You prompt an AI for some code, and then you spend the next few hours just debugging and fixing everything it spits out. But what if an AI could actually act like a real engineer? Plan the work, build it, and then test its own work? Well, today on AI Verdict, we are putting a tool called Zenflow to the test. It makes a pretty bold claim to be the world's first autonomous AI software engineer. Let's see if that claim actually holds up.
All right, so here's how we're going to break this down. First, we're going to look at the core problem Zenflow is trying to solve. Then we'll get into its secret weapon, this spec-driven solution, and the different workflows it offers. After that, and this is the fun part, we'll put it to the test by building an app from scratch. We'll explore its autonomous verification loop. And finally, we'll deliver our AI verdict. Let's get into it.
So first things first, let's talk about the fundamental issue here. There is a huge difference between just asking an AI to write a quick function and actually engineering a real reliable piece of software. And honestly, that gap is exactly where most of these AI coding tools just completely fall flat.
I mean, if you've ever played around with a tool like Google AI Studio, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You get this instant code, and it looks great for a quick prototype. But the moment you try to iterate or build on top of it, the whole thing starts to unravel. Assumptions start piling up, and you end up with something called prompt drift, where the code you have no longer even resembles what you originally wanted.
This right here, this slide just perfectly captures the two different worlds. On one side, you've got simple prompting, which is basically a house of cards. Yeah, it looks cool for a second, but it's fundamentally unstable. And on the other side, you've got real AI engineering, a solid foundation built from a blueprint designed to actually last. And that blueprint, that's the key. It's the specification.
So how does Zenflow stop that house of cards from collapsing? Well, its entire philosophy is built on one core idea, spec-driven development. Think of it as the ultimate antidote to prompt drift.
Spec-Driven Development, or SDD, is pretty simple in concept. It just means the AI is never, ever just winging it. It's always anchored to a plan. Just like a human engineering team follows an architecture doc, Zenflow's AI agents are all tied to these super detailed technical specs. And it's that anchor that keeps the whole project from just drifting off into chaos. And it all comes together in this really elegant loop. It's a three-step process. First, it defines the work, breaking the entire project down into structured little tasks based on that spec. Second, it executes. And this is cool. Multiple agents start working in parallel. You'll have a backend agent doing its thing while a front-end agent builds the UI all at the same time. And finally, the most important step, it verifies. The system has built-in agents that automatically test and review the code to make sure it's not just working, but that it's actually done right.
Of course, not every little coding task needs this massive end-to-end engineering process, and Zenflow totally gets that. It offers 4 different workflows, so you can always pick the right tool for the job.
In this table really shows how flexible the whole system is. You could just make a small surgical edit with quick changes, or you could unleash the fix bugs workflow to go hunt down and solve an issue all on its own. But the real powerhouse, the holy grail here, is that full SDD workflow, which promises to take you all the way from a simple idea to a fully shipped product.
Okay, so theory is great and all, but we had to see this thing in action. To give a proper verdict, we decided to push Zenflow's full SDD workflow to its limits with a classic project. Build a complete application entirely from scratch with zero handholding.
And this was it. This was our entire prompt. One sentence. We wanted a daily habit tracker to track and visualize habits. We fed this into Zenflow, flipped the switch to run autonomously, and just let it go.
Right out of the gate, we saw something totally different from other tools. Before it wrote a single line of code, Zenflow's first job was to generate a complete, detailed technical specification. It was literally building its own blueprint. This is that critical step that prevents the house of cards we talked about and makes sure every agent is on the same page.
And the best part is, this isn't some black box. The dashboard gives you this incredible live view right under the hood. You're seeing the terminal output in real time, you're watching files just pop into existence, and you can see the back-end and front-end agents working together in parallel. It is literally like watching a tiny autonomous dev team execute a plan right in front of you.
Now, all of that is really impressive, but what truly sets Zenflow apart, what makes it more than just another fancy code generator, is its ability to autonomously guarantee the quality of its own work. This, right here, is its secret sauce.
So that's the big question, isn't it? How does it actually do it? How can it be so confident that the code it's writing is not just going to run, but that it's actually clean, tested, and ready to ship to production?
The answer is so simple, but it's also incredibly powerful. It has a dedicated agent whose one and only job is to be the quality police.
So this verification agent, it's basically an automated QA engineer on steroids. It's running tests across all the different modules, it's performing code reviews on the work that the other agents just finished, it automatically catches mistakes, and, get this, it even triggers the fixes itself. It is this relentless, constant verification loop that ensures the final product is truly production ready.
Which brings us to the moment of truth. After the spec was written, the code was generated, and that verification loop did its thing, what did we actually get? Did it work? Let's take a look at the final app.
And the result, a completely functional and honestly a surprisingly polished daily habit tracker. This wasn't just some bare-bones app. It had a full 30-day activity grid, a built-in deep work timer, and even a full analytics page. And I have to say it again, all of this was generated autonomously from that one little sentence we gave it at the very beginning.
There's this quote from the source material that just hits the nail on the head. Zenflow really does seem to turn AI from this kind of unpredictable helper that you have to constantly correct into a dependable software engineer that you can actually trust to build quality software.
So, our final AI verdict is in. Zenflow absolutely delivers. By anchoring all the AI's work to a concrete spec and then using that relentless verification loop, it effectively solves the problem of prompt drift. This really isn't just another code generator. It feels like a genuine step toward a true autonomous AI software engineer. And that leaves us with a pretty big question for the future, doesn't it? If tools like Zenflow can start to deliver production-ready code without needing constant human oversight, are we seeing the beginning of the end of babysitting our AI tools?